Yeah, Mima's gonna go get dressed. Careful.
I made blocks.
You made blocks. Good job.
My sis on the carpet.
Yeah, Mommy's on the carpet.
Oh, my sis on the carpet. This. My sis on
Can you put another one on top?
Oh, my sis on.
Yeah, can you put another one on top? Oh. Careful, Gigi.
I made blocks.
You made blocks? Good job. Do you want to put another one on top?
Oh.
Okay, stand up.
Oh.
Good job.
Stand up. I made blocks.
You made blocks. Did you make a big tower?
Okay.
Wow, look at that, honey. Can you go back, put another block on, get another one. Okay, put another one on. Right there, get another one, put it on.
Play blocks.
Yeah, I'll play blocks. You put one on for me.
Can you put one on?
Can you put one on? Put a yellow one on. That's it. Stand up. Do you need to stand up? Yeah, can you do that? Good girl. Did you do it? Okay. Yay! I did it. I did it. What is that? Is that a party? That's a tower? Is that is that
Can
a
you put
tower?
one more on there?
Oh.
Here's a red one right here, honey. There's a red one for you to put on. 2 red ones.
Do it.
Better hold it.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. Go careful.
I made it.
You made it. Good job. Can you put the last one on?
I'll put this. This last one.
It's the last one. Okay, put it on top. Can you stand up to do it? She's like, I'm just going to start a whole new tower.
Yeah. I realize this one is too rickety to...
I don't think that one fits, Gigi.
It's one fit. It's one fits.
Can you put that red one on top? Can you stand up and put it on top?
The quick gold.
Yeah, it's a green one.